Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Chef Andrea. Today we're going to be making chicken lasagna. Now it's different from your typical lasagna. There's no tomato sauce. We're going to be using a prepackaged Hollandaise sauce. And all you're going to need for this is 1 pint of sliced mushrooms, 1 white onion, small dice, a bunch of asparagus that I pre-blanched already, 2 cups of cooked chicken, and 2 cups of shredded cheese, as well as your oven-ready lasagna noodles. And of course, salt and pepper and parsley to top. So for the Hollandaise mix, we're just gonna make it according to the directions on the back. So we're gonna start first by putting our Hollandaise on the bottom of our pan. Just a nice thin layer right on the bottom. And then our lasagna noodles. And now we're going to add our asparagus. We're just going to lay them out evenly. And some of our onion and mushroom mixture. Next, we're going to put some of our cooked chicken and cheese. I'm just using normal mozzarella. And we're going to finish off with all the extra cheese. So now we're just going to put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. All right, so it's ready. Oh my gosh, it smells so good and it looks fantastic. So here's our chicken lasagna. We baked it for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let it sit for 5 and then we're going to cut it. Thanks for joining us. We will see you guys next time.